Hello everybody and welcome to Stash Smash Saturday, the last one for July. I am currently, well that's not going to work, currently punching out some hexagons because one of my items that Rebecca had given me was to use hexagons. So I am trying to use a bunch on this layout. So I am taking my punch and punching out a few. I'm going to cut some bigger ones as well, I think, on my silhouette. Haven't decided quite yet if I want to do that or just do a bunch of small ones. Because I'm also going to be following a sketch that I created. So this is the sketch. If you would like to see it closer up, you can head over to the Craft IQ page where I have put it on as an additional challenge for this month. Layouts due August 5th, I believe is what I said. And I'm going to draw some names for that, or a name, and I'm going to shop my stash and send you like a goodie bag of a bunch of things. So make sure you go check that out if that is something you're interested in. Yeah, maybe I'll just do these two shapes or these two sizes. This one I can cut out from here and then just tuck it behind a photo or something. So I'm going to continue punching out a bunch of hexagons. I've got this one. This was cut from a silhouette, so I'll just use this to cut out some from my other papers. I've got these two photos from long ago, 2017. I've also got a bunch of branding strips. I could cut little confetti pieces as well. I haven't decided what I want to do with those. Might do something with them. And then I'm going to include this star cut file. So I've already got my cut file that I used last week as well. So cut file, hexagons. What else do I need to do? I'm going to put 3 mats on my photos. We're probably not going to use any pocket cards. We'll definitely use some sequins. We need doodly lines and a stamped title. Yeah, we totally can add some doodly lines. Stamp title, we'll see about that. I'm not sure about that one yet. I have to look through my stamps because I kind of want to use some of my LA Studio title builder. I just haven't looked to see what I've got that I would want to use. But I'm playing with this Simple Stories collection that I played last week, and I've got more goodies from that in here. And these photos are from like a 4th of July celebration, so I probably will use some of the 4th of July things on there. So I'm going to keep getting some hexagons cut out. I need a piece of white cardstock yet, and I need to pick out, I want to do some mixed media in the background. Maybe I'll put the stars down, some modeling paste or something. I don't know. I haven't decided that yet really either. Just kind of playing. I had all my stuff together, just not figured out what I want to do completely. So I'll keep working at that, and I will be back with you shortly. Okay, so this is what I've come up with so far. It's very layered. I kind of like it. I think I might, I'm trying to decide if I remove that. I'm trying to move these hexagons around so you can actually see them. They're kind of all on top of each other, but I like that. I'll move that one there and do that one there. Like they're not following any rhyme or reason. They're just kind of there. And if I just do some background splatters, and then I think I'm going to forego the things in the corners, even though it's my sketch and I should do them, but maybe I will just add some mixed media in the corners that kind of give you that effect of a corner. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do some splatters, which stinks because I really like the way this looks and I don't want to don't want to pull it up. But something. Ah, I know. I'll splatter on this paper and then I can just transfer it. If that will work. We'll see. It's getting there. All right, I'm going to spritz some of this on there. Do we want some? I got Blueprint Sketch as well. Should we just do some? I've got some distress sprays. I've got this distress spray, which is Stain, which is Blueprint Sketch. I've got this distress spray, which is Shaded Lilac, which isn't really a blue at all. But it might be kind of fun to have this kind of see-through color, this more opaque color, and then the really, really opaque dark blue too. So we'll do that. Our bigger splatters. So just the spritz. Okay. Oh, I have a spray box, but yet somehow I spray out of the box. And on all the other things. Oh yeah, and then I was gonna put my sequins hexagons. I can't forget my sequins hexagons. That was the whole point of this. So the transition from my stuff onto the mixed media background did not go as well as I thought it should have. So everything's in a different spot, but I still like it. I've still got the same idea, the same goings on, but I liked better what I had going on up there and what I had going on over here. So I'm not sure how to feel about that at the moment. But if you caught at the end of the video, or the end of that other clip, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta use these suckers. So we gotta scatter these babies around. That's why I made them, and that's why I saved them, was for this layout. But my sketch is basically just a bunch of layered up squares. So a bunch of layered up a bunch of layered up hexagons will work just as well. It's okay that they're not all kind of going the same directions. That's not the point. The point was to be messy. And I think we're accomplishing that. Yeah. I want them kind of evenly distributed. I popped my two photos up on foam. I'm just trying to find all my little hexagons that I actually covered. Okay, I think I got them all. And we'll just kind of, I think we'll put this one actually closer to the photos. Maybe here instead. Where's that? I had spots of stars that were me because I cut them here. There, now there. Oh, it feels a little bottom heavy, doesn't it? But I've got spot for title and title, if that's what I decide to do. Okay, let's glue these down. Those look good, I think. All right, so now we just need to worry, and I created these doodly lines with my spray, so I'm counting that. I'm counting that. I just need to do a title and see if there's any of these embellishments that I want. I might not, because that would be a 6th item. Because the only thing I haven't used is pocket cards right now. So I might not. I might actually just do 4th of July. and then move these, which is fine, which we can easily do. Stay there, and that can stay there, and that one can go. Huh, it could, I guess it could have stayed. Stop sticking to me. And I just need to stick some foam underneath there. Do this having a blast over here. Yep. Perfect. And then I just need chunks of foam. Okay. All right, I'm gonna get foam tucked up underneath these letters and number, and I'll be back and we'll see if there's anything else we need to add to this layout. Well, there you have it, you guys. I added a stamped 2017, so technically I can count that as part of my stamped title, maybe. I added these two banners and then these firecracker embellishments as well, the ephemera pieces. That was really all I had left for ephemera pieces, besides, I think, that was it. Oh yeah, there's one big giant red and white and blue heart yet, and that's all I got for that left over. So I have completed Stash Smashed this collection, and I have completed the last layout for July. So next month I will be starting with 7 new items every Saturday from Rebecca, and I will be starting with a new collection to play with as well to try and smash. So make sure you head over to Rebecca's channel and check her out. I know she posted later today too. We both have just been kind of swamped and haven't been able to find a groove, and we both are understanding. We don't care. It's something fun we do. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Bye.